Welcome to Quality Branding Hub. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction. Today also, I am going to discuss about quality control. That quality control, people are think about the documents. Yes, we need to keep the documents, but what are the documents we need to keep, or what are the documents we need to maintain? In today's video I will discuss what are the quality document is required for our construction projects. So stay tuned until then to get the full information. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's jump into the subject. That's the quality control documents required or to be maintained at a project or the construction site. Because without the document or without the data, it is impossible to perform the quality control task in the site. So that is why we need to collect the data and we need to make the documents. So what are the documents? Let's jump one by one. The first document what we need to manage in our projects, that is the project quality plan, or in short it is a PQP. It is a document that you need to prepare first whenever you are getting the projects. What is the document? Project quality plan, a document outlining the process, responsibilities and resources necessary to achieve quality in a projects. So these are the documents. It is to be identified all process, responsibilities and the resource what is required to maintain the quality. So before starting the projects, this is the first document you need to prepare, that is the project quality plan. That is a detailed plan or the outline or documented plan how to perform the construction activity or everything responsibilities process that will to be outlined in the project quality plan. And the PQP includes quality objectives, control measures, inspection points, testing protocol. It ensures consistency in delivering work that meets contractual and regulatory requirements. So these are the total document for the project quality. So what these document you need to know, or it's you need to know that what is the responsibility, what is the process, what is the procedure, what is the resource, what is the checklist, that everything to be included in that plan. That for this project we need to outline these things, we need to perform these activities to maintain the quality. So this is the project quality plan. If you want to know more about project quality plan or how to write down a project quality plan, I have made a detailed video. Link is there or in the description. Please check, you will get the detailed information about the project quality plan. The next document what we need to know, that is a method statement. What is the method statement? The method statement is a document detailing how specific construction activities are performed safely and in compliance with the regulatory standard. So in the project quality plan, that is the entire project outline, but the method statement is the specific activity. Suppose you are doing the concreting activity for the column, so that will be a method statement. Concreting activity on the slab, that will be a method statement. Brickwork, that will be a method statement. So the particular activity wise the work procedure is the method statement. So that also this document you need to prepare. It describes the step-by-step procedure, tools, materials and safety measures for a particular task. So for any particular task you need to prepare the method statement, and that document to be maintained for entire projects. But how to make the method statement, I have made a detailed video. Link is there or in the description. Please check, you will get the full information. The next document what we need to prepare in the project's quality, that is inspection and the test plan. What is inspection and test plan? A detailed document listing inspection and testing activities during the project life cycle. So it is the what will be the inspection required for the entire projects or a set of activities or a single activities. What is the checkpoint? That is to be maintained in the inspection test plan. Suppose you are doing the block work. Now in which level you need to check? First level will be the surface preparation, second level will be the the layout plan. Third level will be the up to lintel, or a fourth level will be the finishing work. So what will be the inspection label and what is the inspection category? That is detailed document is called the inspection and test plan. The ITP identifies hold point, witness point and surveillance points. It ensures that all activities compliance with code, standard and specification. But hold point, witness point, I have made a detailed video, link is there or in the description, please check, you will get the full information. But now inspection test plan also we need to maintain or we need to keep. Then material approval request, that is before purchasing any material we need to submit the document to the customer or the client, and after getting the approval then only we can purchase the material. So that material approval request also you need to prepare or you need to maintain in the project quality document. So how to raise the MAR or the material approval request, I made a detailed video, link is there or in the description, you will get the full information. The next document what you need to maintain in the project site, that is material test report. So maybe it is a third party test report or maybe it is the manufacturer test certificate. Suppose you are purchasing material steel or the cement, so whenever its material is coming they are accompanying with the material test certificate, or you can send the material to the third party lab for the testing. So that is also the third party test report. So that also you need to maintain. Why it is you need to maintain? It is ensuring the project specification or the project conformity or the whatever the activity or the material conformity is maintaining. So the material test certificate also you need to maintain. Then calibration certificate. In the laboratory we are using many instruments like comprehensive testing machine, oven, sieve, and for sieve, hygrometer, whatever that you need to have the calibrated. If it is not calibrated, what will happen? You will get the erroneous result, and if you get the erroneous result, our project's quality will be a problem. That is why everything to be calibrated precisely. So that is why you need to prepare the calibration within the period or the time interval, and you need to keep or you need to maintain the calibration certificate documents in the project itself. Now the next is request for inspection. Now this is also a very good quality control tools, because whenever you are doing the work you need to raise the inspection to the customer or the client. They will inspect and they will say okay, now you can start the next activity. So this is a very important quality control tools. So this request for inspection or the RFI, that is also you need to maintain at the project site. Then is coming non-conformance report. Now what is non-conformity? Non-conformity is that if you are not following the standard, or if you are doing some work or activities which is not in line with the specification or the IS code, then it's become the non-conformity or the non-conformance. So that time you need to prepare the non-conformance report. Why it is important? Because it shows that the project has the problem with the quality or the non-conformity. That is why non-conformity is coming. So again you need to do the mitigation plan or the corrective action or the preventive action. So it is helping to find out the defects and it's the remedial measures. That is why the non-conformance report also very much important, and that document also you need to maintain. Then it is coming corrective action plan or the CAR. CAR is the if any mistakes happen at the site. Now the mistake already happened, or that means defects is already there. Now you need to do the root cause analysis, and along with the root cause analysis, what will be my corrective action? The corrective action plan also need to submit to the consultant or the client, and they will approve that one, and after that only you can do the work. So that is why this corrective action report or the plan, that is also important, and that document also need to be maintained at the site. Then daily quality reports. Now it is very much important that daily you need to prepare your quality report. So whatever you are going site, what is the difficulties or the defects or the non-conformity you are finding out, you need to prepare, or how much test you have done, how much training you have done. So these are all detailed report to be included daily basis, weekly basis and the monthly basis. So daily report, weekly report and monthly report, that you need to prepare. The next is work inspection request. That is similar to request for information. Sometimes it is called work inspection request. That means after doing the work, you need to initiate to the authorities, maybe consultant or the client. They will come and they will inspect and they will say okay for the next activity, or if the work is not as per the requirement, it may be rejected. So that document also you need to prepare. Then it is coming test record and test certificate. That is also you need to do the third party test, or you need to perform on your site lab. So whatever the site lab, maybe in the site lab you are doing the cube testing, that is a compressive test, you are doing the sieve analysis, you are doing the Proctor density test, that also you need to keep the record. And along with, whenever you are send it to the material to the third party, that third party report also to be maintained. Then it is coming site inspection record. That is when I discussed that whenever you are going to the site, what will you are observing and you will need to note it down. That report also you need to keep or you need to maintain. Then quality audit reports. What is audit? That is the PDCA cycle we are following as per the ISO 9001. Then plan, do, check and act. Then in the check part, that the quality audit is recommended. That why? Because it is ensuring that whether whatever the plan you have made and whenever you are working on that, is there any difficulties or not, or is there any deviation. So that is why audit is important. Audit can be internal or audit can be external. So you need to plan accordingly the audit schedule, maybe in 3 months the internal audit, or maybe in 1 year in the external audit, whatever as per the requirement. So that quality audit report also you need to maintain at the project side. Then the checklist. See, without the checklist it is impossible to do any work. Whether it is a work inspection, whether it's the material approval, whether it's a supplier approval, you must have the checklist. That means what are the checkpoints we need to check. Without the checklist, it is impossible to do any quality control work. So that is why for each and every activities, each and every work inspection, each and every document, there should be a checklist, and according to the checklist, that document or the work to be checked at the site or in the laboratory. So that is why this document also to be maintained at the site. Then it is coming manufacturer warranty certificate. So any material is coming or any long lead item is coming which is required at the site, the guarantee provided by the manufacturer for the performance of the or their product. Suppose you are purchasing the diesel generator or the transformer, so that manufacturer certificate you need for the better performance. So that is also you need to maintain at the site. Next is coming concrete pour cut. Now why concrete pour cut is required? Because whenever we are doing concrete, before concrete we need to finalize each and every parameter is satisfied or not. If every parameter is satisfied, then only it's okay to pour. And during pour you need to check the concrete temperature, concrete slump, and then you need to pour the cast, the cube and everything. So it is to be included in the concrete pour cut. That is why this concrete pour cut is very much important for the quality control, and you need to maintain at the site. And then it is coming pre-qualification document. Why? See, we alone we cannot perform the work. Now we need to hire third supplier, or we need to take back material from the supplier or the manufacturer. Now whether this manufacturer or the supplier or the subcontractor, whether they are able to work or not on our projects as per our quality requirement, that is why you need to check their pre-qualification documents. If they are satisfied or if they are capable, then we can offer their work. So that is why this pre-qualification document for the any supplier, manufacturer or any subcontractor you need to check and you need to maintain at the site. Then it is coming delivery notes. Whenever any material is coming, it is coming with the delivery notes. Why delivery notes? It is ensuring that it is coming from the approved source, it is coming in the right quantity of material, or the quality, whatever the quantity is mentioned, what is the quality is mentioned, that is ensuring. And also it is a legal document, that is it is not coming from any illegal sources. That is why this delivery notes is very important, and it is need to be maintained at the site. And quality control checklist, that what is my checklist, what is my checklist, what is my frequency of checks, that is to be mentioned in the quality control checklist. And that is why that document also need to be maintained at the site. So these are the documents, and there are other documents also, so that we will discuss later. But these documents without any fail you need to maintain at the site for the better quality or the better result. So please check for your projects also the what are the document you are mentioning, and I'm waiting for your comment that what are the document you are maintaining at your projects. Please write in the comment box and let me know that if you want to know anything more about the quality control and construction, I will come with more content like this. And thank you once again for watching me, and if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will get immediate notification. And thank you once again for watching me.